Hi, Jo here, and today I have a card tutorial using the latest stamps from Julie Hickey Designs. This project is a fun spinner card. So I've got these absolutely gorgeous stamps, and as well as Julie, we've also got a set of fabulous Christmas designs from lovely Hazel Eaton as well. So we're going to be using these. I'm going to be using the holly, I'm going to be using the sentiment, and I'm also going to be using the Christmas Cuties, which is an absolutely fabulous stamp. They're both A6 stamps. They're in the polymer, high quality polymer, so we can do lots and lots with them. Right, so on this particular set, I'm going to be using the wing, but what we're going to do is we're going to actually use it to show how we make the flower. Okay, so let's press on. We will also be using Julie's Layers, Frames and Banners Circle Die Set. Okay, that's a big title. It's a fabulous set, and you can see all the circles that I've used, from the largest of the silver down to the white that I'm stamping onto, the smaller of the silver, which actually I've cut into that one, the biggest circle, to save a little bit of the glitter card, and one of the smaller ones for the middle circle that's going to hold the flower. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's pop this to one side, and I'll just go through the bits and pieces that I've got. So this is a 7x7 card blank. I've got a piece of lovely lovely sky blue glitter card, and that is, let me just grab, where's the ruler? Oh, here. Just grab my ruler and give you a size on that one. So I'm actually doing that 16 by 16 square. I've then got a piece of white glitter, but it's a dotty glitter, which is really fun, and it's just half a centimetre less, so that's 15.5 centimetres. And then I have cut my various circles out using the die set that I just mentioned. So the biggest circle there, and you can see I'm just saving a little bit of the glitter card there, and I've cut the top circle, the circle that I'm going to be stamping onto, that one, and that one that I've cut out of the dotty card. Okay, so what we'll do is, to start off with, we'll actually show you how I made the flower. Okay, so piece of white smooth cardstock. You can use any of the wings, obviously. There's a couple of the smaller ones that you can use. Obviously we'll make a smaller flower, but there's also a couple of this size that you can actually make the flower that we're going to do. Layer them up if you want to do, cut them out singly to actually make more layers on top. Lots and lots of options. You'll find lots of other videos as well on here where the other members of the design team have actually used these stamps to make flowers with, so check those out. So I am using the Versafine Clair Warm Breeze, which is a lovely contemporary blue. So we're making this into quite a modern Christmas card, but it also could be quite a lovely winter birthday card as well. So all I'm doing is actually just placing the stamp onto the piece of cardstock, and you will see on the actual stamp itself, I'm just going to bring this closer up to the camera, you've actually got lines. So if you hover over before you actually place your stamp, see if you can get the lines in what's the words, in line with each other. The lines in line with each other. I'm trying to find another word there. And then what you'll get is a lovely spaced out design. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're just going to go into the space in between. Okay, it will overlap, but that's actually quite lovely when that happens, because it gives a super bit of detail. And again, if you just use the line in the middle of the stamp, and that's going to give you a little bit of guidance as to where it needs to be. Really is quite easy to do, and Julie's made it that little bit easier by popping the lines on into the actual snowflake design. There we go, so that's the last one. Just pop my lid onto that, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to pop some clear embossing over the top, tap it off, and then just heat set it. There we go. So that gives it that beautiful glossy feel, which we all love, don't we? Right, so I've just jumped ahead and I've actually cut that out. So really simple to cut out, but if you wanted a double layer, not a problem at all. Okay, because what you would do is you would just cut another one, or just stamp out another one and actually layer it up just like that. Okay, and stick them together. You can do either or, it's not a problem. Okay, just check that